Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Myself Anurodh Ankit. Today we are going to cover the exercise questions on average. The concept part I have already explained you in the last class. Now today we will solve the exercise question. So the first question. 5 years ago, the average age of Ram and Syam was 20 years. Now the average age of Ram, Syam and Mohan is 30 years. What will be the Mohan's age 10 years hence? Means he, the question is asking the age of Mohan after 10 years. So what is given in the question? 5 years ago. The timeline here is 5 years ago. So we write here as 5 minus. The average age of Ram and Syam was 20 years. So if it is Ram and if it is Syam, so this is average. Average 5 years ago is how much? 20 years. Now can we write here as total? So total average 5 years ago was 20 years. So total will be 20 into 2, that is 40 years. So at present means 0. The total of Ram and Sam will be how much? 50 years, because each will increase by 5. So 5 into 2, that is 10. So total is 50 years. Now Ram plus Syam at present is 50 years. And it is given that Ram, Syam and Mohan, the average age of Ram, Syam and Mohan is 30 years. So at present Ram plus Syam plus Mohan will be how much? 30 into 3, that is 90 years. So from here we can calculate the age of Mohan. So M, that is Mohan, is 90 minus 50, that is 40 years. Now if you will see the option, you will be tempting to attempt option A as the correct one. But again read the question. The question is demanding what will be the Mohan's age after 10 years hence, means after 10 years. So at present Mohan is 40 years of age. So after 10 years Mohan will be 40 plus 10, that is 50 years. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now we will proceed towards the next question. Question number 2. The average age of A, B, C and D 5 years ago was 45 years. By joining X, the present average age of all the 5 is 49 years. So what is the present age of X? Again the timeline, that is 5 minus. So A, B, C, D. Average 5 years ago was 45. So total 5 years ago was 45 into 4, that is 180. 0 means at present. So at present each will increase by 5. So average will be 180 plus 5 into 4, that is 2. Sorry, the total will be 200 at present. Means A plus B plus C plus D at present is 200. And it is given by joining X. When X joins, means A plus B plus C plus D plus X. The average is 49. So total will be 49 into 5. How much? 49 into 5. How to calculate it? So we never multiply any number by 5. We just multiply that by 10 and divide it by 2. So it will be 490 by 2. That is 245. Now from here we will calculate the value of X. So X will be 245 minus 200, that is 45 years. So present age of X is 45 years. Two questions I have taken on the same concept. Now I think that concept will be clear. Okay. The next question. The average weight of 4 men A, B, C and D is 67 kg. The fifth man E is included and the average weight decreases by 2 kg. Means when the fifth man was included, the average weight decreased from 67 to by 2 kg, means 67 to 65. Okay. The weight of F is 4 kg more than E. Okay, so first we have to calculate the weight of E, then only we can reach up to F. So what is F? So F is equal to E plus 4, because it is written the F is 4 kg more than E. When A is replaced by F, then the average of the group of 5% changes from 65 to 64. Okay, so what is the weight of A? So here the question is divided into various parts. So we will proceed accordingly. Firstly, it is given the average weight of 4 men A, B, C and D is 67 kg. So total weight of A plus C, B plus C plus D will be how much? That is 67 into 4. Now, how to calculate 67 into 4 fastly? We know 67 can be written as 60 plus 7. 60 into 4 is 240. 7 into 4 is 28. So it will be 268. 240 plus 28. Now the fifth man E is included and the average weight decreases by 2 kg. So A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. The average weight is 65. So total weight of A plus B plus C plus D plus E will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E will be 65 into 5. Now 650, half of 650 is 325. So from here we will calculate the weight of E. So E will be 325 minus 268. So 325 minus 268, it will be how much? It will be 57 kg. Now the weight of F is 4 kg more than E. Now we know that F is equal to E plus 4. The weight of F is 57 plus 4, that is 61 kg. Now it is given when A is replaced by F, the average of the group of 5% changes from 65 to 64. Means earlier A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Total weight is 325. Now instead of A, bring F. Now F plus B plus C plus D plus E will be how much? 64 into 5. Why? Because A is replaced by F. Now when A is replaced by F, so you will take the average of F, B, C, D, E, and the average is given 64. The total weight of 5%, that is F, B, C, D, E will be 64 into 5. How to calculate 64 into 5? 640 by 2, that is 320. Now subtract from this is, if say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now 1 minus 2 will be how much? A minus F is 5. Now we know that F is how much? 61 kg. So A minus 61 is 5. So A will be how much? A will be 5 plus 61, that is 66 kg. So the answer is 66 kg, that is option number D is the correct option. This was slightly tough question, but actually if you will follow a regular pattern, if you will break the question into parts and then solve it, then you can be able to solve any type of question. Okay, the fourth question. The average age of a husband and wife was 23 years when they were married 5 years ago. So when they married 5 years ago, husband and wife, the average was 23. So total at that time was 23 into 2, that is 46. Now the average age of husband, wife and a child who was born during the interval. So we don't know that when the child was born, but child was born in the interval 5 years back until now. So between this interval the child was born. Okay. Now the average age of husband, wife and child is given 20 years. So total weight of husband plus wife plus child is 20 into 3, that is 60 years. Okay. Now if we know the total present wage of husband and wife, then we will subtract from here and we will get the age of child. Now from here we will come to know that what is the total weight of husband and wife. So 5 years ago the total weight was 46. So at present it will be 46 plus 10, that is 56. Now husband and wife total weight is 56. So 56 plus child is 60. So child is 60 minus 56, that is 4 years. So how old is the child now? Child is 4 years old. Okay. Now the next question. The average monthly income of P and Q is 7050, means 7050 rupees. The average monthly income of Q and R is 7700 rupees. And that of P and R is 8250 rupees. What is the monthly income of P? So we have to calculate the monthly income of P. Okay. So what is the total income of P and Q? That is P plus Q is 7050 into 2. Similarly, what is the total income of Q and R, that is Q plus R is equal to 7700 into 2. And likewise, what is the month total income of P and R? That is 8250 into 2. Okay. Now add all this. So 2P plus 2Q plus 2R. So 2 is taken as common. It will be 2 into 7050 plus 7700 plus 8250. Now this 2 and this 2 got cancelled. So P plus Q plus R is how much? Now add it smartly. Here it's 50 and here it's 250. So add it, it will be 300. And then 7000 and 8000. So 15,300. Now 15,300 when you'll add it with 7,700. So 300 and 700. Again it's 1000. And 15,000 plus 7,000 is how much? 22,000. And 1,000 was there. So it will be 23,000. Now P plus Q plus R, total income is 23,000. And from here, we know that Q plus R, total income is how much? 7,700 into 2. How to calculate? 7,000 into 2 is 14,000 and 700 into 2 is 1,400. So 14,000 plus 1,400 means 15,400. So from here, if we will subtract the income of Q and R from this P plus Q plus R, you will get the income of P. So P will be how much? 23,000 minus 15,400. That will be 7,600. So 7,600 is the answer. So what is the answer? Option number D is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. The total of the age of a class of 60 girls is 900 years. The average age of 20 of the girls is 12 years and that of the other 20 girls is 16 years. What is the average age of the remaining girls? So we have to find the average age of the remaining girls. So total age of 60 girls is how much? 900 years. Now the total age of first 20 girls is how much? 20 into 12, that is 240 years. Now the total age of second 20 girls is how much? So 20 into 16, that is 320 years. Now from here we can find that the total of 40 girls is how much? 240 plus 320, that is 560. Now the total of 60 girls we know 900 and total of 40 girls we know is 560. So the total of remaining 20 girls is how much? 900 minus 560, that is equal to 340. Now the total of remaining 20 girls is 340. So average of 20 girls is how much? So 340 by 20, that is 17. Just make it correct. This is not 7,300, 7,400. This is 17 years. Okay. By mistake, it is 7,300, 7,400. This is not the correct option. Answer is 17 years. Okay, fine. Now the next question. The average weight of boys in a class is 30 kg and the average weight of the girls in the same class is 20 kg. If the average weight of the whole class is 23.25 kg, what could be the possible strength of the boys and girls respectively in the class? Okay, so how to find it? We have to find the number of boys and the number of girls. Let's say number of boys is X and number of girls is Y. So the average weight of boys in a class is 30 kg. So total weight of boys equals to 30 into X, that is 30X. Similarly, total weight of girls is equal to 20 into Y, that is 20Y. Okay. Now, if the average weight of the whole class is 23.25 kg, now the total weight of class, whole class, is number of students x plus y, and the weight is 23.25. So multiply it by 23.25, you will get the total weight. Now this total will be equivalent to total weight of boys plus total weight of girls. So total weight of boys is 30x plus total weight of girls is 20y. This is equivalent to x plus y into 23.25. Now for this equation, just to make it a whole number, multiply the whole equation by 4. So it will become 120x plus 80y equivalent to 23.25 into 4 will be how much? So 23, double of 23 is 46, double of 46 is 92, and 0.25. 0.25 into 4 is 1. So it will be 97. So 97x plus 97y. Sorry, 93y. Because 23 2 ja 46, 2 ja 92, and 0.25 into 4 is 1. So it will be 93y. Now 120x minus 97x, that is how much? So it will be 93x. This is 93. So 120x minus 93x equals to 93y minus 80y. So 120x minus 93x is 27x, equivalent to how much? 93y minus 18y is 13y. So x by y is how much? 13 by 27. So the x is 13 and y is 27. So option B is the correct option. So here you have to find what is the number of boys and what is the number of girls. You suppose that is x and that is y. Now you equated the total weight of boys and the total weight of girls, that is equal to total weight of all the students. Now all the students, you know that it is x plus y. So x plus y into the average weight, you will get the total weight of the class, and the total weight of boys is given 30x, total weight of girls is 20y. You have equated that, and in that you have find the ratio of x by y, and x by y you found it to be 13 by 27. So number of boys, that is x, is 13, and number of girls, that is y, is 27. So 13 and 27 is the answer. Okay, fine. Now the next question. There are 40 students in a class. Number of girls is 16 more than the number of boys. Now, whenever you see a question like this, that number of A is this much greater than number of boys, so how to distribute that? So here it will be boys and here it will be girls. So girls is 16 more. So first subtract 16 from 40. How much is the remaining? So 24 is the remaining. Now for this 24, divide it into two equal parts. So boys 12 and girls 12. Now girls is 16 more, so add 16 over here. So now boys is 12 and girls is 28. This is the best way to do this question. Any type of question where you will find such type of solution problem. If the average weight of the girls in the class is 45 kg, now it is given the average weight of the girls in the class is 45 kg and the average weight of the whole class is 47.7 kg. Now what is the average weight of the boys? Now it is given the average weight of the girls is given and the average weight of the whole class is given. So we can calculate the total weight of whole class, that is 40 into 47.7. So it will be 4 into 477. Now 4 into 477, how to find it? So 4 into 477 will be how much? 1908. Now total weight of girls. Girls is how much? Girls is 28 and the average weight of girls is 45. Now how to find 28 into 45? We can write it 14 into 90, and 14 into 9 we know that is 126. So it is 1260. Now from here, if you will subtract the total weight of girls from the total weight of the whole class, you will get the total weight of boys. So total weight of boys will be how much? 1908 minus 1260, that is 648. Now this is the total weight of boys, and how many boys are there in the class? 12. So divide it by 12, you will get the average weight. Average weight will be how much? So 12 5 times 64 remaining, so 48, 12 4 times. Okay, so the answer is 54. Option B is the correct option. Now we will proceed towards the next question. The average of 12 observations is 8. After that, it is found that 13 was replaced by 10 by mistake. So what is the correct average of all observation? Okay, now how to do it? Means 13 was replaced by 10. Means there were 12 observations, and for that 12 observation, the average is 8. Now in this 12 observation, instead of 13, 10 was taken. So 10 is the false observation and 13 is the correct observation. So we have to take out 10 and we have to place 13 in place of 10. So when 10 was taken, the average was 8. But now 13 is being put over the 10 because 10 is the wrong observation and 13 is the right observation. So what will be the new average? So the new average will increase. Now it will increase by how much? So 13 is how much more than 10? So it is 3 more than 10. So this 3 will be divided among 12 observation. So 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4, that is 0.25. Now the average will be, each will increase by 0.25. So average will increase by 8.25. For this type of question, you will take only 5 to 10 seconds to solve this question, because you will take the wrong observation, that is take 10, right observation 13, 13 minus 10, that is 3. So this 3 will be divided among all the observations, that is 12, that is 1 by 4, that is 0.25. Now here 0.25 will be added in the new average, sorry, in the old average. Earlier average was 8, so now this will increase by 0.25. The new average will be 8.25. Okay, so E is the correct answer. Now, a man was assigned to find the average age of a class of 13 students. By mistake, he included the 35 years old teacher as well, and hence the average went up by 2 years. Find the actual average age of the class. So we don't know the average age of 13 students. So let's say it is X. So total age of 13 students will be how much? 13x. Now, by mistake, the teacher was included. Now, the total weight of 13 student and one teacher will be how much? Because here it is given the average went up by 2 years. So earlier the average was X. Now the average will be X plus 2. And number of units, that is 14, 13 student and one teacher. So the total weight of 13 student and one teacher will be 14x plus 28. Okay. Now, if you will subtract the total weight of 13 student and one teacher from the total weight of 13 student, you will get the total weight of the teacher, and total weight of the teacher is given as 35 here. So 14x plus 28 minus 13x is equivalent to 35. So from here we can calculate x equals to 35 minus 28, that is 7 years. So the average age of the class was B, 7 years. So 7 year is the correct answer. Now the next question. The average weight of 38 students of a class was 44 kg. After 12 new students joined the class, the average weight increases by 4.68 kg. So what is the average weight of the 12 new students who joined the class? Okay. So the total weight of 38 students will be 38 into 44. How to calculate 38 into 44? So we can write 38 into 4 into 11, because multiplication by 11 is quite easy. So 38 into 4 is how much? 40 into 4 is 160. So it is 2 less. 2 into 4 is 8. So it will become 152 into 11. Now 2, then 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, and then 1. So 1672 is the total weight of 38 students. Now, total weight of 50 students when 12 new students joined, the average weight increases by 4.68 kg. Now the new average weight is 48.68, and there are 50 students, so total weight will be 48.68 into 50. Now how to calculate it? So we never multiply any number by 50. We multiply it by 100 and divide it by 2. So it will become 4868. So half of 4868 is 2434. Now, so total weight of 12 new student is how much? 2434 minus 1672. That is equivalent to how much? 762. Now the average weight of 12 new students will be 762 divided by 12. That will be equal to how much? So 63.5 kg. So option C is the correct option. Okay. Now the next question. The average age of A and B 2 years ago was 26. If the age of A 5 years hence will be 40 years, and B is 5 years younger to C, then find the difference between the ages of A and C in years. Okay, now how to solve this question? Here it is given the average age of A and B 2 years ago was 26. Okay, so 2 years ago means 2 minus. The total weight of A and B was how much? So 52. Now after 2 years means at present, the total weight will be how much? 52 plus 4, that is 56 kg. Now if the age of A 5 year hence will be 40 years. So 5 year hence means 5 plus the age of A is 40. So at present A will be how much? 40 minus 5, that is 35. Now at present we know that A plus B is 56 kg and A is 35 kg. Sorry, 56 years. It's not kg, it's years. The average age is given. So you will place it years. So A is 35 years of age and B will be how much? So B will be 56 minus 35, that is 21 years of age. Now it is given that B is 5 years younger to C. So from here, can you find the age of C? So C will be 5 years older or elder to B. So it will be 21 plus 5, that is 26 years. Now you have to find the difference between A and C. Now C is 26 years and A is 35 years. So the difference between A and C will be how much? That is A minus C will be 9. 35 minus 26. Okay. Now the last question. This is also a very easy question. You can solve it very easily. The average age of x, y and z is 24. If x is to y is 2 is to 3 and x plus y is 60. Means x is to y is 2 is to 3. So from here we can find that x plus y, or you can write it like this, 2 is to 3. So from here x plus y is 5. 5 is equivalent to 60. How many times? 12 times. So x will be into 12, y will be into 12. So real value of x is 12, real value of y is, sorry, real 12 into 2, that is 24. And real value of y is 12 into 3, that is 36. Now x plus y is 24 plus 36, that is 60. And x plus y plus z is 24 into 3, that is 72. So from here we can find the value of z. Z is how much? 72 minus 60, that is 12. So option C is the correct option. I hope I have answered all your questions well. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.